full-time mom to this little guy here. His name is Ethan. Now, I'm not someone who cooks. I order takeout. We get all these food delivery services, and they've been our best friend. It sort of got worse when I had Ethan because I was so tired that by the end of the day, to have to think about prepping, cleaning, chopping, and all that stuff, I just really wasn't into the mood. So we went to food delivery services once more. That started to become a problem when he started turning 6 months, and I was really concerned about what he was gonna eat, what was I gonna feed him. And that was when Azura and his sister Adrina gave me a call and told me to have a look at Thermomix. And I went with my husband, and our lives have not been the same ever since. I cook every day. I mean, every day. And I cook good food too. With the Thermomix, I make things that I've never thought I would ever make in my life. I've made tandoori chicken, and I'm not talking about the ones that you find in Mama. I'm talking about the authentic ones that you get at, you know, high-end Indian restaurants. I've made my own naan. I make my own bread. I've made pizza. I make his own nuggets, you know, that I know what's going into, all the ingredients is going into here. It's good, it's not processed. And his teethers, because he's allergic to a lot of things, so I make his own teethers with this. It's amazing. So now I let my husband choose what he wants to have for dinner. And I bring this with me into the living room. I put everything I need in here, set it, and then I can play with him. What are you doing? Sometimes I cook with him with me, and he sees me turning the dial, and I'll actually go 1, 2, 3, just so he can sort of identify the numbers. I look forward to the time where when he grows up a little bit and I can teach him how to cook with a Thermomix. I just say, go to number 3, and he'll turn the dial to number 3. And I think that's gonna be quite a bonding experience. I think the best thing about this is that I am now enjoying cooking a lot. I'm finding the therapeutic essence of cooking, and I'm finding that cooking is fun, and feeding your family is fun, and it's stress-free. Now that I can do it stress-free, I can't imagine not having it now. You know, I just want to have more Thermomix in my kitchen. I'm really grateful to have the Thermomix. I love feeding my family now. I didn't get it, but now I do. I get it, and it's awesome.